OSPF LSA types. There are 11 LSA types in total, but for most networks, you only need to focus on types 1 to 5 and 7. Let's break them down one by one. Type 1, Router LSA. Generated by every router in an area. Each router tells others in the same area about its own links and connections. Only stays within the area. This information does not cross into other OSPF areas. Each area keeps its own router map. Describes directly connected interfaces and neighbors. It shows what networks the router is connected to, and which other routers it can talk to. Type 2, Network LSA. Created by the designated router, DR. On networks like Ethernet, one router is elected to represent the network. That's the doctor lists all routers connected to the network. It tells others, R1, R2, and R3 are all on this Ethernet segment. Only stays within the area. Just like Type 1, these don't leave the area. Used on broadcast and non-point-to-point networks. You'll see these only where many routers share the same segment, like a switch or shared Wi-Fi. Type 3, Summary LSA. Generated by Area Border Routers, ABRs. These are routers that connect one area to another. Used to advertise networks from one area into another. Helps routers in one area learn about destinations in other areas. Crosses area boundaries. Unlike Type 1 and 2, these LSAs are allowed to leave one area and enter another. Does not contain full topology info. It gives the destination and cost, but not the full path. Type 4, ASBR Summary LSA. Also created by ABRs. These help internal routers find the ASBR, Autonomous System Boundary Router. Points to the ASBR from outside areas. It says, the router that knows about external routes is over here. Used when an ASBR exists in a different area. Needed so routers can calculate a route to reach the ASBR first, then follow external routes. Type 5, External LSA. Generated by the ASBR. This is a router that connects OSPF to external networks like the Internet or a BGP peer. Advertises external, non-OSPF, routes. For example, static routes, BGP routes, or any network outside OSPF. Flooded throughout the OSPF domain. Unless it's a stub or NSSA area, every area gets these LSAs. Contains cost and type, E1 or E2. E1 includes internal cost plus external cost, E2 only uses external cost, default is E2. Type 7, NSSA External LSA. Used only in NSSA areas. NSSA stands for Not So Stubby Area, a special type of area that allows some external routes. Generated by the ASBR inside the NSSA. Since Type 5 is blocked in NSSAs, we use Type 7 to carry external info inside the area. Converted to Type 5 by the ABR. The ABR translates it when sending it to the backbone area or other areas. Quick summary table.